Rita! Today we're gonna unboxing this LOKLiK iEngrave cover, an ideal engrave tailored for beginners. It comes with a dedicated protective cover that upgrades its laser safety up to Class 1, efficiently blocking smoke, odors, and harmful laser radiation. Let's open it up together. Inside, everything is packed with protective foam to ensure safe delivery. Removing the top layer, you will see an envelope, the top back panel, and the front panel of the cover. In the envelope, you will find a brand card, a packing list card, a warranty card, and a user manual card with QR codes for the user manual and software. Next, remove the first foam layer and take out the accessories. In the second layer, you will find the two top panels, the front panel, and the two U-shaped connector bars. Then the right panel, black panel, and the left panel. Going deeper, you will see the power adapter for the fan and the light bar. The power adapter, a pair of goggles, USB cables, a wooden brush, the Hex Wrenches, the cable ties, the screws, a light bar, 3 bags of extension legs, the air pipe and the laser module. Finally, remove the last foam layer and there's your laser engraver. Let's take everything out. Now that everything's unpacked, it's time to assemble. Start by loosening the screws on both sides of the X-axis motors. These are transport safety screws to prevent damage. Install the extension pads to the extension legs and attach them to the main body. Secure the left side cable using the clips. Mount the Wi-Fi module to the device. Then, assemble the enclosure step by step. Attach the 6-angle brackets. Install the left, right, and back panels. Add the fan, limited switch, and door handle. Finish with the top front door, front panel, and the top back panel. Install the ventilation pipe and the light bar as well. Finally, fix the laser module onto the mounting bracket. Connect all the cables. That's it! Easy, even for beginners. Now, turn on the emergency stop button and safety lock. Connect the power for the device, fan, and the light bar. Press the power button to start the device. Let's try engraving with one of the wooden boards included. Place the board, adjust the laser focus length, and connect the laser to the LOKLiK app. Don't forget to remember the Wi-Fi name and password. Your engraving parameters and hit start. With LOKLiK's optimized hardware and software, engraving speeds reach up to 500 millimeters per second. That means you can finish complex designs in the time it takes to drink a coffee. With 2.02 millimeter precision, every detail comes out sharp and vivid. Just look at those clear lines. Amazing! Whether you're a total beginner or seasoned crafter, the LOKLiK iEngrave helps you to push the limits of creativity and take your project to the next level. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity?